how good these are. These are awesome. These are from, what's it say, Perry's Famous tamales. They have a lot of flavor, a lot of good kick.
We are, and if you don't like getting to Ballou, well,
we can burn these costumes. If they wonder where we've gone, it just take on so long. Get me along. We can't know where to go. Taking care of you. So what's the meaning to it all? Most of our lives we spend between business walls. This growing obsession, this progression with success, we need to take a break and think of what it means. Fashion world don't mean a thing. Take away your vanity, just give me back my sanity. Just flip the lights off, I'll be dancing in the streets completely free. I'm telling you, darling, you can walk into this office anytime you like. Say the word and girl, I'll leave it all behind. Doing the only thing I know to do, I'm taking care of you. Taking care of you. Anytime you like, say the word and girl, I'll leave it all behind. I'm only doing the only thing I know to do, taking care of you. Taking care of you. Taking care of you.
festival again for my 12th year. I really appreciate being here. It's a great day, and I'm really pleased to be able to be the voice of the Hot Tamale Festival. This maybe we'll continue to do this so they double my pay again. They keep doing it every year. Okay, anyway.
Is doing good today. I guess that takes it as a yes. But to introduce ourselves, we are Ballou and the Bears. My name is Brian Ballou. To my right here, we got Mr. Chris on the slide and lead and rhythm. Y'all give it up for the man to my right over here. Y'all give it up for him. Y'all give it up for him. Behind me, we got my brother from far away. Mr. Q himself on drums, keeping it in time, baby. To my left in the far back, we got Marcus. He claims JSU, he's been watching the game ever since we got here today. But y'all give it up for this bad man, the jammer back behind me. Y'all give it up on, give it up on. And last but not least, the man himself, Mr. Nash over here on the keyboard making keys. Nash, go ahead and give us some keys, baby. Give us some keys. California to Greenville, Mississippi, we call home here. One and one is two, two and two is four. So come on, baby, you know I gotta go, gotta leave. Baby, don't you wanna go? Back from that land of California, my seat on Chicago. Chris, what you got? Greenville, Mississippi, where you can get some tamales and college fucking home, freaking home. 2 and 2 is 4, baby. 2 and 4 is 8. Come on, baby, you know I can't be late.